and welcome to Tiny Space Health. I'm Hannah, and today I'm going to be taking you through my computer break stretch. I've been doing a lot more work from home lately, so I'm getting really stiff from sitting down a lot, so I'm just going to take you through what I do to make sure that at the end of a day I don't walk around like a little robot. So the first thing is you're going to take a little bit of a pull back on your chair. You're going to lean your head down. You're just going to stretch out just very gently forward. You've probably been keeping this really tight the whole time, so it's time to just relax the spine and take a deep breath. And you come up, nice and slow. And you're going to get your head and you're going to gently turn it to your right, and you're going to see if you can feel a small stretch from up in your spine here, up in the neck, all the way to that bit in your shoulder, stretching that out. Hold that for a couple seconds. Deep breath. And come back to center nice and slow. Don't need to do anything fast right now. And turn it to your other side. Stretching out yet again that to the neck to shoulder, doing this. And back to center. Just stretch to wherever you're comfortable. And next, we're gonna move this out of the way so you can see me a bit better. You're gonna get your hands, you're gonna push them forward and pull your fingers in. And we're gonna stretch the back and push your palms forward. Relax your head forward and pulling your shoulder blades out. You should just feel a nice pull in the back, just to wherever you're comfortable. And let your fingers go. Then we're going to bring the elbows back, push the chest forward, make those shoulder blades really tight, feeling that stretch in the chest. And relax. And give yourself a bit of a shake, nice and tight. We're going to just roll the shoulders back. Keep really nice and tight, rolling, and relax. 2 more times. Nice, big, stretchy roll. And pushing those shoulders back, and then forward. I find I get really tight in my shoulders, kind of hunch over my computer sometimes when I'm really focused, so this really helps me out. After that, you're going to put your hands forward. You're just going to gently pull the wrists back. And then we're going to pull the palm down really gently when you do this. I sometimes do a bit too much and could hurt my palms a little bit. And down. Soft, gentle stretches. And then we're just going to bring your elbow over the body, stretch out, pulling your shoulders, just that last little bit of shoulder stretch. Nice deep breath. And then let that go. Yet again, grab your elbow, straighten arm, pull your shoulder around, just to where you're comfortable. Deep breath. Relax, shake out. You're all stretched out, all this area for your break, and now it's time to go get that coffee you deserve. Catch you next time. Bye.